So let me again tell you one of the very important command, that is an grep command. So using this grep command, suppose I want to search a key that is Chetan, okay, and I'm not sure whether it is in uppercase or lowercase, then how I can do that? I can do that by using this -i, then this is the text which I want to search, and the next thing is the star I am giving. I want to search in the current directory in all the files. Okay, now let me press enter. So yes, this Chetan is present in all these files which is listed here. Okay, I want to see the line number also, like where this is present. So how I can do that? I can use -n along with -i. So here it is showing me the line number also. Okay, so on line number 13 this is there, and here you can notice that it was in capital, right? And here we have used in case insensitiveness -i, and it is in small, still it is able to search it. So there are various options available for this grep command. How you can check that? Grep -help. Using this help command, you can check the various options available or the details of the particular command. So here various options are there, you can explore them. Okay, great. Now let me clear it out and let us discuss about another important command, that is find command. Okay, so let me tell you first that I am in which directory. So I am inside this root directory, and these two folders are, all the directories are present inside my root directory. Okay, now I want to find some particular file. I am not sure where it is present. So how I can do that? I can use the find command, then I can use the directory. So I am not sure currently it is present in which directory, so I am using dot, so it will search inside this root directory, and we can use -name for the name type. Okay, so it will search by type or name. Okay, so I have used -name and I am providing the name. So I want a file with the name a.text, okay, which is present inside root directory or not. So let me search it out. So I have executed the command and it has scanned the complete root directory, and here it is showing us that a programming with Chetan folder is there. Inside that folder a.txt file is present. Similarly, I want to search all the files which is present inside this root directory. I can use star.txt file. Okay, so it has scanned the root directory and is able to find all the files which is ending with .txt. Great. Now I want to get the text file which is present inside my particular root directory. So this is how I can do that. Great. So here you can see that how we can make the use of this find command. Okay, I think that is easy, right? Still, if you are having any doubt, then you can ask me your doubts and your queries in comment section. Okay, great. Now let me move inside this programming with Chetan folder. Okay, now what all files are present here? Okay, these are the various files present inside this folder. Okay, now the content of this file is quite huge and the size is also very high. Okay, I want to compress this file. How I can compress that? By using the gzip command. So I can use gzip and I can give the file name. Okay, I have used the gzip command. So here you can see the extension .gz, right? So now the size of this particular file is reduced. Okay, let me again gzip another file, that is b.text file and file.text. Okay, great. So here you can see that all the files which is present inside our programming with Chetan folder is compressed. Okay, let me clear it out, and now I want to decompress it. Okay, how I can do that? I can use a command that is gunzip. Okay, earlier we have used gzip, now I am using the gunzip command, and we can give the file name. Okay, I want to gunzip or decompress all the files. So I have used star, and let me see. So here you can see that we are able to decompress our file by using the gunzip command. So these are again a very important commands, okay, which we generally use to compress or decompress the files so that we can transfer it to some file directory or to some remote directory, okay, or from one directory to another directory on our actual servers. Okay, great. Now we are only left with 5 more commands. Okay, great. Now next one is the df command. What is the use of this df command? So we can use this command to display the disk space used in the file system. Okay, so let me type this df and press enter, and here we can see that how much memory we have already used. That is, we have used 47% of the memory, and this much memory is available. Okay, and this particular directory is mounted to this particular path. Okay, so these are the various details which can be very useful for the admin users, okay, so that they can decide and accordingly they can allocate the memory or can clear the memory, and they can see the mounting details. Okay, so this is again a very important command, that is df command, okay, for admin users. Great. Now we have another command, that is ssh command. Okay, by using this ssh command, suppose I want to connect to some other remote server, how I can do that? I can use the ssh, then the username, actual user, okay, to connect, and then the host name where I want to connect. Okay, so I can use this command. Okay, currently we are getting the error because here we need to provide the actual username and the host name. So we can use this ssh, okay, and it is used to create the remote connection through the SSH protocol. So I have shown you we can use SSH, then the username and the host name. It can be an IP or the domain name. Okay,